Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing 10 study tips that you can follow to improve your studies and perform best in your academics as well as to score good marks in your exams. Without further ado, let's get started. You want to be comfortable but not too comfortable that you can't focus or stay awake. Sitting at a desk or table with a simple chair is usually the best way to go. This will allow students to sit up straight and have their thoughts organized. Electronic devices is a huge distraction. In general, stay off your cell phone during study time. Either keep it on silent or the best way is to turn it off. When you need to use it during your study session, stay away from social media. Always have a water bottle with you when you're studying and drink plenty amounts of water every single day. Having a to-do list is an important way to stay organized. List all the activities you want to complete that day. Example, you have your homework on your list. After you're done, just put a check mark which makes you updated on every work you have done so far. When you start reading and you find a sentence that you feel is important, underline or highlight it. Take notes using your own words instead of copying out a definition or an explanation from a textbook, online, or your teacher. By putting the information into your own words, you can process it in your mind and understand it, which will help you remember it for a long time. Get a friend or your family member to quiz you on key concepts. Quizzes are great ways to get you confident about what you know and find out what you still need to learn. Try to explain the material in your own words, as if you are a teacher. You can do this in a study group with a study partner or on your own. Saying the material out loud will point where you are confused and need more information. This is a very effective learning and helps you study and gives you a lot of motivation. It's important to take breaks when you're studying, especially if you're feeling tired or frustrated. Working too long on a task can actually decrease your performance. Instead, check out your social media, watch television, take a walk outside, spend time with your family, read a book, and also switch your study place. First, eat well. Nutritious food provides our body and mind with the energy needed to grow, feel well, be active, stay healthy, and learn. Get good sleep. 7 to 8 hours of sleep for a student is a must. Remember that hard work pays off and believe in yourself. You got this. So these are my 10 study tips. If you guys follow it, you will see a big difference in your study grades. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.